create a new design. My design is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select Text. Type your text. Pick a font. Resize your text. You can now move the text. Select Effects. Then select Shadow. Make the offset 20. The direction is 0. The blur is 0. And make the transparency 100. Pick a color. Duplicate the text. Place this text on top of the other text. Click on the 3 dots. Go to Layer. Send to Back. Add 20 to the offset. And pick a different color. Repeat this. Select the text if you want to move or resize it. And that's how you create a text with a multicolored shadow.